Hello, today I will discuss column or body cavity. Previous day I discussed germ layer, point 4, and today point number 5, column or body cavity. A body cavity can mean any internal space or a series of spaces present inside the body, whereas column or true body cavity generally refers to a large fluid filled space cavity lying between the outer body wall and the inner gut wall or digestive tube. The column must the column contains most of the visceral organ and it lies by mesoderm on all sides. Absence or presence of column in the body is very important classifying features of animal, and on the basis they can be divided as equiluminate, pseudocolumnate and acolumnate. Eucolumnate क्या है? The true column is the body cavity which arises as a cavity in embryonic mesoderm. In this case, the mesoderm of embryo provides a cellular lining called columnic epithelium or peritoneum to the cavity. The column is filled with columnic fluid secreted by peritoneum. True column is found from annelids to chordates. अब ट्रू कॉलम को दो भागों में बांट दिया. पहला, या इसको छोड़ सकते हो तुम, यूकोलुमिनेट. दूसरा है सूडोकोलुमिनेट. इन सम एनिमल द बॉडी कैविटी इज प्रेजेंट बिटवीन, बट it is not completely lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called pseudocolumnate. Pseudo means false, column means body cavity, and the animals possessing them are called pseudocolumnate, जैसे एक्लेमेंथिस. उसके बाद एकोलुमिनेट में जहाँ पे बॉडी कैविटी, ट्रू कैविटी एब्सेंट हो. Those animals in which the true body cavity or column is absent are called acolumnate. For example, sponges, colentate and platyhelminthes. Figure C में तुम देखोगे is the diagrammatic representation of the section of the body of platyhelminthes, showing three germ layer: outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and inner endoderm. And innermost is the lumen of digestive tube, yani gut. But there is no column or cavity between the body wall and the gut wall. नेक्स्ट आता है सेगमेंटेशन. सेगमेंटेशन इज डिफाइंड एज द डिवीजन ऑफ बॉडी इनटू पार्ट्स और सेगमेंट. सेगमेंट में इन सम एनिमल द बॉडी इज externally and internally divided into segments, and these body segments have a serial repletion of at least some organ. This kind of segmentation in which there is linear series of body segment fundamentally similar to one another is a structure is called metameric segmentation, and this phenomenon is known as metamerism. The body segments are called metamers. Segmentation is seen in annelid, arthropod and chordates, whereas notochord. It is an elongated rod-like flexible structure formed during the embryonic development in some animal. It is composed of a cell divided from mesoderm. Notochord is formed on the dorsal or upper side of the body of embryo and defines its primitive axis. It serves as an internal skeleton, endoskeleton, and provides support to the body. Animals with notochord are called chordates, and those animals which do not form this structure are called non-chordate. Porifera to hemichordata. Hence, all chordates possess the mesodermally derived notochord during their embryonic life as the main axial support of the body. However, in some chordate, notochord is replaced by vertebral column, and these chordates are called vertebrates. Then, यानी इसको हम कह सकते हैं नोटोकॉर्ड्स को इन सम एनिमल्स एट द टाइम ऑफ एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट ए रॉड लाइक फ्लेक्सिबल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म्ड दिस इज कॉल्ड नोटोकॉर्ड. अब जैसे तुम एक एग्जाम्पल लो, knowledge cloud, stomochord. It is a flexible hollow tube found in hemichordates. Notochords various versus nerve cord. अब notochord और nerve cord में क्या अंतर है? Notochord should not be confused with the nerve cord, as notochord as in supporting a structure part of internal skeleton, while nerve cord is a part of nervous system. Notochord is found only in chordates, while nerve cord is found in chordate as well as non-chordate. This is the difference between notochord and chordate. Notochord is formed on the dorsal side of the chordates, while nerve cord is ventral and non-chordates and dorsal in chordates. अब ये दो क्वेश्चन है. एग्जाम्पल 1, ट्रू कॉलम इज द स्पेस बिटवीन वॉल ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल एंड बॉडी वॉल इनक्लोज बाय द लेयर ऑफ. आंसर होगा इसका नंबर 1, mesoderm on both sides. This is because true body cavity is lined by mesoderm. So on both sides toward body wall as well as toward gut wall, this space is enclosed by the layer of mesoderm. Second example, mesodermally divided rod-like structure present in chordates is. Answer होगा notochordate. Notochords is a mesodermally derived rod-like structure present in chordates. तो ये हम लोग देख लिए जनरल सिम्टम या on the basis of some characteristic feature, the animals are divided into some on the basis of some character. तो ये हम लोग ने देखा कि ऑर्गेनिज्म को डिवाइडेड करते हैं लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पैटर्न ऑफ कंप्लेक्सिटी of various organ system, body symmetry and germ layer, और उसके बाद column और body cavity, segmentation and notochord. And after that we will discuss classification of animal. This classification of animal is based on these 7 characteristic feature. अगले the next class I will discuss classification